Hello everybody, and today we're going to be playing Doors, but Ryan's on my other account because he doesn't have his computer right now because we're having a play date. And I am on my alt account so we can both play Doors. But we're doing a challenge, right Ryan?
Yep.
Doors, but no audio. Alright, get on mute, Ryan.
It's already on mute.
Okay, this is gonna be really rough, guys, because you should go subscribe to Think Noodles. Thanks for the idea. I want to try it. What he did. It's really hard. I've seen the video. I don't want to waste any knobs because we're probably gonna die. So I don't want to. This is gonna be hard. I already don't like this. This is already painful, and I'm not even doing anything. I'm literally just going through drawers. Also, Ryan's on iPad, so it's hard for him.
Yeah, it's very hard.
Instant new room. Guys, you should play Doors because they had a new update and it's really nice. Wait for me. Distance. Off cam, we were listening to the Doors song on YouTube. It's a really nice song. Shout out to Rocket Music. Awesome vid. Right, Ryan?
Very awesome YouTube video.
Ryan said it's very awesome. Might have to speak a little louder, Ryan, because you're a little. Anyways, please subscribe and leave a like. Turn on notifications so you never miss one of our awesome videos. Also, I figured out how to edit, but the problem is I don't know how to put it into the video.
You have to do it after.
I'm gonna try to make a subscribe button pop up, and if it doesn't, well, oh no, this is gonna be a problem. Yes, I found a lighter. Oh yes, I found a lighter. This is gonna be so bad with Screech. We're not gonna be able to hear the psst.
I got a guy, but I saved myself.
Oh, it's a locked room. Are you kidding me? Okay, we need to find this key ASAP. Forget about Jeffrey. We need to find this key, Ryan. Well, we'll care about Jeffrey. Jeffrey's a nice guy. Yeah, I call him Jeffrey. I don't care what you guys call him, but you guys can call him anything you want. I call him Jeffrey because Jeff is actually short for Jeffrey.
I think they know that, Jude.
Just in case. Oh no, my lighter ran out of fuel. Nobody's been in here. Oh my gosh, this is so scary. Because I don't know, which one it is. Okay, good. Thanks, Guiding Light. You're awesome. I got the key! I got the key! We need to get out of here ASAP. No Screech. Okay, go.
I got one Screech.
Yeah, because I had a lighter, I didn't. Go, 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 go! That was so scary.
Is this another background?
No. No, it's not.
Stupid iPad. iPad.
Are you calling my iPad stupid?
No, I said graphics.
Oh, that was a flicker. Just get in immediately. We don't know when he's gonna come. Okay, he came. Get out.
Imagine ambush just comes.
Ambush would be hard because he doesn't make a flicker. He just that would be hard because he doesn't do flickers. Safe behind the doors and safe kid. It's like dripping gums. Psst. It's like dripping gums. These doors keep tempting me for more. See, drip. Seriously, shout out to Rocket Music. That song was probably the best song I've ever heard. And Ryan knows that my favorite song is World's Smallest Violin, but not anymore, bro. That song was awesome. That song was so good. You should actually subscribe to him. Subscribe to me first, though. I'm better. This is my room. Who's better, Andrew or me?
In what? Doors?
In YouTube.
I don't know.
Who's better in YouTube? Me or Andrew? I would say
Andrew has a raw YouTube channel. I don't think he's asked a single person to subscribe to him.
Yeah, but well, I went to a YouTube camp to set up this channel, and they said every subscribe. So we did a game. It's that whichever how many so comments were 1 point. 3 points. Subscribers were 4. Likes were 2, and views were 1. And I was like, wait, I want to win a game. So I'm like, hey, so I asked my parents, hey guys, can you subscribe either way? If I didn't even ask them, they would have subscribed either way. So, and then I looked on my channel, my latest subscribers, and apparently my grandparents also subscribed, and I didn't even ask them. Oh, God. I forgot about the challenge. No mic. No audio. I forgot about the challenge completely. So, yeah. I don't know where anything is. Bro. This is madness. Stupid Timothy. I hate Timothy.
Yeah.
Okay. Get in the closet. Yeah. Oh, quick, get in the closet. Now. Hey, Rush. How you doing, man?
He's a grandpa. He's a grandpa now.
Well, whenever I call him Grandpa, I immediately die, so I don't call him that anymore. So, yeah. I don't call him that anymore. Is that flicker or not? I don't know. Frick. Oh no. If we die, subscribe. Oh no, it's just C, guys. We're fine. Like dripping gums. Ryan, where are you?
I'm very far back. I was hiding in a closet because I thought there was that thing.
Can you do the rest? Yeah, boy, we did it. I found another lighter, Ryan. There's another lighter right here. Oh, yours is better. Imagine we get a flicker in the greenhouse. Oh, that would be terrible. Bro, how are we going to do it with the greenhouse? Or if we even get to the greenhouse.
If we get to the greenhouse, we'll have candles, probably.
Yeah, candles are our best bet of beating the greenhouse. No joke. Hey, Seek, bro, the graphics on iPad for Seek is terrible. Go. I really want audio on this. I want to listen to the music. First one's right. Oh. Next one's left. I stopped. I was so close to death. I stopped. And Ryan farted, which was even worse. Oh my god, bro. Okay, not that door. No, I didn't go through it.
Dude, when I farted, I took fire damage.
Ryan, can you not loot in the drawers because there might be a bandage and you might take it and I really need a bandage right now.
Okay, I just got done.
Look at my screen. I'm so low. Look on me.
Yeah, that's rough.
It's like dripping gums. I don't want gold. I just want freaking band-aids. Eyes. If I look at eyes, I'm dead. I'm dead. Please, a band-aid. Give me a band-aid. If I got screeched, I'm dead. I'm dead. It's this one. Please don't loot any drawers. I just need a freaking band-aid. Please give me a band-aid. I'm so low right now. Oh, that was a flicker.
That's a flicker.
Hello, you coming? Oh my gosh, I was about to get hide.
Yeah, same.
Bro, it was like, please. I don't want vitamins. I want the update to not, that I wish it didn't come out now. Because I want vitamins to give me health, please. What?
You said glitched.
Wait. Okay, it's just.
I'm about to die, dude. Look at me. Look at me, dude. I'm about to die even more.
That's just because you got Timothy.
I didn't get Timothy, Jude.
I got Timothy.
Yeah, you're Timothy.
Okay, this is going to be hard to figure because you can hear his footsteps. A Band-Aid! I found a Band-Aid! I found a Band-Aid! Oh my god. It's a miracle. Okay, this is going to be actually really hard because we don't have audio. Yeah, because we don't have audio. I'll go left. I only have 3 brain cells, sorry. Figure was like a sliver away from hitting me. I don't understand how I even did that. Pulls Band-Aid? I don't want freaking gold. Give me a freaking Band-Aid. I'll be happy with the Band-Aid, if you will. If you must give me a Band-Aid, give me a Band-Aid.
Sorry, guys, if it's quiet. It's just...
Yeah, it's very quiet. We're just, at Figure, we're just so focused that we don't like talking. Yeah.
Okay, so 2, 7, 4, 6. 2, 7, 4, 6.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
2,
So
7,
hold on. 2, 7, 2, 7, 4, 2, 7, 4, 6, 2, 7, 4, 6, 2, 7, 4, 6, 2, 7, 4, 6, 2, 7, 4, 6, 1. 2, 7, 4, 6, 2, 2, 7, 4, 6, 2, 7, 4, 6, 2, 7, 4, 6, 4, 2, 7, 4, 6, 5. No, 2. No, I can't do this.
2, 7, 4, 6, 6.
2, 7, 4, 6, 7. Bro, no, I messed up. 2, 7, 4, 6. Please tell me it's 8. No. Okay, one more. 2, 7, 4, 6. It has to be 9. Okay, Ryan, get ready to get in. Go, 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 go.
Can I please get the crucifix, Jude? I'm on iPad. I need the crucifix.
Yeah, you need the crucifix.
Do you have enough to buy the skeleton key?
Yeah, I did. I did. I want to talk to El Gablo. People will call me small, nah, man. When I spawned, I was much smaller. Wait, he doesn't like being called small, even though he said he was small, which makes no sense. Could it? What do you want? Food. That's what I want. Health. Me and Bob are trying to settle something
Dude, I
here.
think I just got disconnected.
Who do you think
Dude,
can lift
I think
the
I
most?
just got disconnected.
No, my iPad died. Oh goodness. Oh goodness.
Did you get the crucifix off the ground, Jude?
No, it didn't kill you. It made you exit. Not. But I'm still doing this challenge. At least I figure. I got an idea. Oh, I got a big idea.
Guys, did you know that Jude got the dragon plushie from
Yeah.
Pets and X?
Yeah, I got the dragon plushie. If you guys didn't know,
It was $50.
which I think is totally worth it.
For a huge pet, $50 for one. People are selling other huges for like $15.
Yeah, and the code's already used.
No, like in the game, not plushies.
Yeah, but I like a plushie. His name is Gary, by the way. Okay, I'm gonna try something. Tell me when that has charged 1%, and then just swipe down from the top, and then make it all the way dark, so it won't die. Seeing monsters in the distance.
I kind of want to go home, Jude.
No. Yeah, not that door. Not that door. It is not that door. Yes. Hey, Ryan, while I'm doing this, you want to play on my Oculus?
Sure.
Now do you want to go home? I just don't want you to leave. Because it's so sad when my friends leave, because I don't have a brother or anything to play with. So it's so sad when people leave my house. Wait, I just got an achievement. Okay, I really want to find this lever because this is the worst part of the game. I hate this part.
Dude, are you gonna go to the hospital?
I'm trying to make my way there, bro. I don't know where nothing is.
Yeah, it's really annoying.
This is my least favorite part of the entire game. I hate this part.
1% charge, Jude. And it did not save. But it's fine. It's totally fine. It's not like I had the best item in the game or anything.
Yeah.
It's not like I had the best item in the game or anything, right?
Yeah, it's not like you had the best item in the game ever. Or anything. What I've said to do, you know, you do. That's what's gonna that's what it's gonna allow you to play and charge at the same time. So keep that. I'm scared of Screech. I've never been scared of Screech in my life.
Yeah, Screech is just obnoxious.
I absolutely hate this challenge. This challenge is madness. Oh my god. If I get ambushed, it's not gonna be good. I'm probably gonna die at the greenhouse, so yeah. I just got so much stuff. How do I wanna get that gold. How do I get those gold? I love you, herbivores.
Herbivores. Andrew doesn't have the achievement for seeing hide, or for getting the herbivore. Jude, whose game is this? This Jake's?
Yeah, it's probably Jake's.
It's not open.
How did I die? I was behind the drawer.
Yeah, they patched that.
They said it still worked for ambush. Run out rush. Dang.
I tried doing that to my brother, but I swear it worked yesterday. Wait, the day before I told him to do it, but then he just died. He was behind the closet and he died.
Bro. Well, I'm gonna have to end this video here. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please subscribe and leave a like. See you guys all next time. I'm gonna try always recording on Saturday if I can.
Every week.
I'll do it once a week. If I can't, then I can't. And
You
if
might be
I
on vacation or something.
yeah, I might be on a vacation or something. Go subscribe to. But seriously, subscribe to
Ender Gaming.
Subscribe to Ender Gaming and Diamond Gaming. I mean, the Diamond Boy. Really big. I love that Dora song. You guys should really watch it.
Is it Diamond?
Rocket Music.
Go subscribe to Rocket Music and Think Noodles for the idea.
Yeah. See you guys on next time, guys. Peace.